What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Back again with another pair of New Balances. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've reviewed New Balance. I can't remember how long it's been, I'll be honest. But yeah, it's been a while. I'm not going to waffle too much more. Let's get straight into this. So, standard New Balance box, which I won't really comment on because we've seen it 100 times. I will talk about the label, which says U2002RB, USA 11, UK 10.5, Europe 45. Let's get straight into this pair. Whoops. Yes. So we've got a lovely pair of New Balances 2002R in like this beige colorway. Different shades of beige brown. It looks so good. Come on. So the sole, we've got black, beige, creamish, off-white, whatever you want to call it, all on the bottom. Standard 2002R sole. Same soles used on the 1906R and I think a few other models. But yeah, midsole, it's got the beige, the bit darker beige, beige again, and then that beige creamish off-white, and got a bit of like kind of like a brownish color. Really lovely. Love the way that's put together with the different sort of colors, different shades of beige, brown, etc. Then on the upper, the best bit, we've got some light brown suede. We've got some more suede there. We've got the 2002R kind of like printed on. Then we've got obviously more suede, the the N, the New Balance N. It's like a kind of like a plastic logo which has been embroidered on. Then going to the front, there's the nubuck type of material there, and then the front we've got that suede again, and then mesh on the inside again, same thing, but on this bit the midsole is just basically beige and then a bit darker, different color. It's not got all the colors like this side. And then the tongue, if you can see, there's mesh, and then on the top next to the suede bit, New Balance running, and then we've got a standard 2002R laces. The sock liner is just white, but it's a bit of a different material. Sometimes it's like a suede one, but this isn't. And then we've got that New Balance insole. Lovely pair. I really do like this pair. I'll actually rate it 10 out of 10 just for the colorway, the beige, brown, and like a latte mix, different colors. Reminds me of coffee. But yeah, I really do like this shoe. Really love this colorway. Looks so good on foot. How would I style it? Probably just boring, same old, all black. Put these at the bottom. Might do it some other ways, not too sure yet. But yeah, I'm not gonna waffle on too much more. This has been a real quick one about the 2002R, which I've got many pairs of and I won't get bored of. But yeah, so like, comment, share, subscribe, check out all my other content, check out all my other videos. I've reviewed a lot of 2002Rs, 1906Rs, done comparisons, all that good stuff. But yeah, wait a few moments, you will see an on-foot video of these. It might help you make a decision if you want to buy them or not. And yeah, most importantly, take care, my people.